Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore new readings by their genres on the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the fourth option. And here click on the Explore All Genres button. Here you are going to see a vast variety of options that might be of your interest. So click on the relevant one that you prefer. And you are going to see books in that particular genre. However, as you can see at the top, there are also sub genres or subcategories of that particular genre that you have selected, such as fiction, paranormal, urban fantasy, magic, supernatural, mythology, and so on. So there's also a bunch of options. So if you would like to narrow down your search a bit more, then click on the relevant one and you are going to see books that fit that particular subcategory of your choice. So tap on the one that you find interesting and you are ready to get to know that particular reading, such as the book details and the plot itself. You can also read some reviews about it, and if you are interested in that particular book, you can also find other books that are similar to that particular one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.